I'm Balloon Boy Bob, and this was my dad, Big Toe Bill. After Mum died, Dad started drinking and didn't really stop. When he got drunk, he got angry, shouting at me and Liam. Whenever things got like that, we'd call Gran. Can we come over tonight? Dad's drinking again.
Gran did her best to try and make things seem normal, and she was trying to help Dad as well, taking him to counselling appointments. He'd lost his licence, so Gran was driving him everywhere to make sure he went and got the help he needed.
I just wanted to focus on football and beating the bullies, Thumbtack Tim and Water Bottle William. Those two had been annoying me because I didn't have a fancy kit. I didn't realise someone was watching us play, and I suppose I didn't really think about how tired Gran was with all the running around and what it was causing her, or believe that Dad would keep going to get help. I just tried to get through it one day at a time.
Turns out a scout liked my playing, and so I started doing trials. Dad stuck with his counselling, and slowly things started getting better. Dad started getting himself to appointments so Gran didn't have to run about so much. We still stayed over, but not because we were scared.
Dad managed to get a job. Liam joined his school team. Gran found some time to herself, and I kept playing. The way things are going, I might even get signed. We got through things together.